What's the meaning of chuffing? Chuffing. Chuffing.
Chuffing. Chuffing. Chuffing is a term used to describe the sound made by a steam engine as it moves. The sound is produced by the engine's exhaust steam being released in short bursts. The result of chuffing is a distinctive rhythmic sound that is often described as chug-chug or puff-puff. This sound has become synonymous with the age of steam and is often seen as an iconic representation of the Industrial Revolution. Chuffing is still enjoyed today by enthusiasts who collect and restore steam trains, and it holds a special place in the hearts of many who appreciate the beauty of this classic mode of transportation.